Okay, hello everybody. Here we are. The Kiwi puppies. Kiwi puppies. Hello. Hello. You guys are ready to eat again.
Hi, buddies. Who are you? Hey, buddy.
They look so small. These are definitely going to be smaller size puppies. So if they're going to be standards, they're over 8 pounds by 8 weeks. These ones are, geez, 4 or 5 maybe. They'll be 6 next week. Maybe. Maybe. Alright, crew. I have one that I kept. It's like 38 pounds. So I would be surprised if they stay tiny. And 38 isn't big, but it's possible you get a whole litter of midgets. Am I allowed to say that? Shark people.
Look at you. Look at you. Oh, yes.
Look at that face. My goodness, and there's another one. They're both boys. So you see the pushy ones. The more passive ones are out in the back. The chill pills. Yes. Dude, you look like Max. I see Max's eyes. Max is such a wonderful dog. Kiwi is too, but Max has been around. He is just such a gentleman. He's a ladies' man. Cass he's the opposite. Exact opposite. All the way to the other end. But a nice dog, just he's not a ladies' man. Are you guys ready for some late afternoon food? Is that right? Yes? Some food? I heard from you, little one. I did. Chip bill section. These are the chip bills. Chip bill, chip bill. Chip bill. The intermediates. Oh, you guys are so good. They're like, bring me some food. You ready for some food? You're being good too. Yes, you are. That's a good Kiwi trait will sit. Right next to you, she'll sit and wait patiently. And Max is the kind of guy, he's super obedient. He'll just do whatever you tell him to. Okay, guys, that is the Kiwi crew.